Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your music library with Apple Music, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Apple Music app on your device. Make sure you are signed in with your Apple ID. Navigate to the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and select Music. Toggle on the option for Sync Library. If prompted, confirm that you want to enable this feature. Now, go back to your Apple Music app. Wait for your library to sync across your devices. On your new device, download and open the Apple Music app. Sign in with the same Apple ID used on your first device. Allow the app a moment to sync your music library. You should now see your entire music library available to you. If you have any playlists, albums, or songs, they will also be transferred. Feel free to explore your library and enjoy your music. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection. You can also reboot your device to refresh the sync process. That's it. Your music library is now transferred and ready to enjoy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.